$27.50. What does that mean to you? Does that seem like a lot of money? When's the last time you spent like 25 or 30 bucks without even thinking about it? I know it can be really easy to do. So I just wanted to point out some math that I heard just the other day that's really stuck with me, that spending $27.50 every day for a year is $10,000. So if you are like so many other people that I've been meeting recently, thinking about buying a home, and maybe you've got a nice job and great income and maybe even a good credit score, but haven't done a great job of saving, just want to put that in perspective for you, that spending $27.57 extra a day is costing you $10,000 a year. I know it can just be as easy as going out for happy hour, grabbing lunch out, getting a purchase from Amazon, which is so easy to do with just the click of a mouse that you don't even necessarily think about it. So if your goal is to buy a home within the next year or so, I challenge you right now to start looking at where you're spending $27.50 extra a day that could be reallocated towards savings. If you're already doing a great job of living pretty frugally, maybe your challenge is to increase your income by $27.50 a day. And there's plenty of opportunities out there. I know sometimes they don't seem like it's gonna really be worth it, since you're walking dogs or delivering meals or driving Uber or whatever it is, might not seem like it adds up to all that much. But when you put it in perspective of what $25 to $30 a day can add up to over time, that is a significant change in your financial future when you consider that $10,000 can easily put you in a position to buy a home and stop paying your landlord's rent. So for those of you that have questions about the process of buying or selling a home, please reach out. I'm happy to help. I really want to help address specifically any questions to do with the financial aspects, since that is my background. Oh, there's my dog. But please reach out. I'd love to be a resource for you. My number is 720-454-5432. Thanks.